What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am putting together this Joystar juvenile bicycle for my baby girl Rain. So hopefully it's not hard. Hopefully it is very easy. It did not say I needed many tools, and I think other than the Phillips head that it has every tool necessary for assembly. We're gonna give this a try, and then I have to hide it. So I'm gonna go pretty fast in this video. So hopefully it all makes sense, so that when you see it, you can see that you could do it too. Okay? If this is something that you're interested in. Anyway, subscribe. Let's go. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the bike is finished. It actually wasn't hard at all. The toughest part, I would say, is like making sure that the brakes are aligned with the rim of the bike, which is on this bike, the blue piece, the blue part. The rim is where, of course, the brake is going to stop the wheel in the front. It is front grip situation as far as braking is concerned, but other than that, I mean, it was fairly simple. Now there are some stickers that come in the box that allows you to name the bike, so it has a sticker for each letter of the alphabet. So we'll probably put Rain Jones. Well, no, we can't because 2 N's. So anyway, we'll let Rain do what she does as far as naming the bike and things like that. But nonetheless, this is what it is and how it turned out before she touches it. Have fun with it and all that good stuff. As you can see, it did come with training wheels, which is very necessary because she doesn't know how to ride a bike. So it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. I'm excited to see her doing this. And what I would say is to set aside, I would say no more than 35 minutes. Like 35 minutes should be solid as far as like touching the box to being done with what's in the box as far as like this, the result. So easy, 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 easy. Beginner can get it done. So feel free, anybody from beginner level up, that you can do it. All right, beautiful people. I love you all. Have fun with your bike, with your kids. Love you. Be safe. Love you. Peace. Oh.